Hi guys, how are you? No intro for these videos, so we'll jump right into it. We start with our nails by prepping them. I push all my cuticles back and then I remove all that shine of my nails, so like I just buff them, and then we can move on to applying some prep. So I have this dehydrator, it's from Modelones, and apply it all over my nail beds. And then after that we move on to the primer, and this makes your nails sticky so that the gel sticks better to your nail and lasts longer. And then you guys know that these nail tips are my favorites. They're from Amazon, so we're going to be using them. They're short almond, and I just make sure that they fit my nail bed. Once that is done, I apply some of the gelx. I basically apply one layer and then a little drop and slowly start pressing down, and then I cure for 60 seconds, and then I repeat the process for all of my nails. I basically apply one by one. Then we can move on to the design and shaping them. And I remove the extra gel, and then I buff my nails so that they are perfect for applying gel, and also shape them with this file. And for the design, we start with this nude color that I recently got from Amazon. It's like a pink nude-ish gel color, and I apply it all my nails. And then I have this nail art polishes that are super cute and have a thin brush, so it's so much easier to apply them. And for the design, I do French tips on my pinky finger, my index, and thumb, and I just choose different colors. And then for the other two fingers, for the ring finger, I decided to do like squiggly things, choosing different colors. So I chose blue, pink, white, and orange, and I cure it before moving on to the next finger. And then for the middle finger, I decided to do some flowers, so just doing some white petals. Then I added an orange dot for the middle, and some round up colored dots around so that it will look more colorful. Once my design was done, I added a layer of top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and that was it for the design. I obviously applied some cuticle oil at the end and massaged my fingers, and they look super pretty and so colorful.